So today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 4, Green Secrets. Enter the world of plants. Each plant or tree has a surprise for us. Name the tree or plant. So first I will give the difference between tree or plant. So let's see. Plant versus tree. Plants belong to the kingdom of plantae. Trees are one type of plants. Plants such as shrubs and grasses are short and are closer to the ground, while trees can be various sizes. Generally, they are taller than other plants. Plants apart from trees have soft stems. Trees generally have hard woody stems. Most plants aside from trees do not live long, but some trees can live up to hundreds of years under favorable conditions. You can see this is the image of tree and this is the image of plant. See the difference between tree and plant. So name the tree or plant. First, filling the blank. A tree that grows near the coast, that means a tree that grows near the seaside. So that is coconut tree. So write here spelling of coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T. So write first filling the blank answer is coconut. A tree that grows near the coast is coconut. You can see the image of coconut tree. A plant that grows underwater, that means a plant which grows underwater, that is hydrilla. So write here spelling of hydrilla, H-Y-D-R-I-L-L-A, hydrilla. You can see this is the image of hydrilla. This plant grows under the water. Then a cone-shaped tree, you can see here, it's look like cone shape, so that is for F-I-R. You can see this image, a cone shaped tree, that is fir. If we will decorate this tree, it will look like a Christmas tree. Next, a plant that grows in water. You can see here this image. So this image is lotus. So a plant that grows in water, that is lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. So this plant grows in water. You can see the image of lotus. Then a plant that needs plenty of sunlight to grow well, that is sunflower. You can see here the image of sunflower. So this answer is sunflower, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. You can see this image of the sunflower. This plant needs a plenty of sunlight to grow well, that is sunflower. Then a fruit tree that grows in an orchard, that is apple. You can see here this image of apple. So this fruit tree that grows in orchard, apple. Write the spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. You can see this fruit tree, apple. Then a tree that lives longer than many trees, that is banyan tree. So here write the spelling of banyan, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan tree. You can see this image of banyan tree. This tree lives longer than many trees. Then a plant that grows in the desert, that is cactus. Here you can see this image of cactus. So right here spelling of cactus, C-A-C-T-U-S. So this plant grows in desert area, that is cactus. You can see here the image of cactus. So after lesson number 4, let's continue our next lesson, lesson number 5, useful from top to toy. So have you observed this? Every part of a plant is useful. Yes, we eat the root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower and seed of many plants. Take the correct answer. Which is a fruit? Brinjal or tomato? You know, brinjal, it's called a vegetable because it's eaten with other vegetables, while tomato also eaten with other vegetables, but it's both. But tomato are also considered as a fruits that are vegetable by nutritionists. So here, which is a fruit? So answer will come tomato. So first answer is tomato. Next is, which is a leaf? Radish? Yes, spinach. So you know, spinach, it's an annual crop plant that is widely cultivated for its dark green leaves. Which? Spinach. So which is a leaf? Answer will come spinach. Then next, which is a root? Carrot or lemon? Of course, the carrot is a root vegetable while lemon is lemon tree's root. So which is a root? Answer will come carrot. So tick this carrot. Next, which is a stem? Potato or turnip? You know turnip is root vegetables while potato, it's a stem vegetable. The potatoes grow on underground stem. You can see here. You can see this is the main trunk of plant, that is stem. This. So potato, which is a stem? So answer will come potato. So tick this potato, not turnip. Next, which is a seed? Chili or maize? So of course this maize will come, not chili. You can see here. See, this is maize and you can see these seeds. So which is a flower? Cauliflower or cabbage? So in the cauliflower plant, the edible vegetable part of called its head. You can see this head, while this cabbage, they do not produce their heads. You can see here. You can see this cauliflower plant, this vegetable that is part as a called head. You can see this. So which is flower? The answer will come cauliflower. So here our lesson number 5 is over. Mr. Know All, potatoes are not grown from seeds. You know, very often they are grown from their eyes of another potato. You can see here. The potato can have 2-3 eyes. The eyes are the buds that can start from growth of new plant. So how to write this lesson in your fair book that I will send in PDF. So like that you can write in your fair book. Thank you.